Interaction and interdependence. What does it mean to be interdependent? Do species live alone, or do many live in communities with other organisms? All species rely on other species in some way in order to survive. They may rely on other species for food, shelter, or to help them reproduce. Here the bee is helping the flower spread its pollen. Species are not independent, they are interdependent. Interdependence of living things. Biological interactions are the interactions between different organisms in an environment. In the natural world, no organism is cut off from its surroundings. Organisms are a part of their environment which is rich in living and non-living elements that interact with each other in some way. These relationships can be categorized into many different classes. The interactions between two species do not necessarily need to be through direct contact. Due to the connected nature of ecosystems, species may affect each other through such relationships involving shared resources or common enemies. Aquatic ecosystems. Water is the common link among the 5 biomes, and it makes up the largest part of the biosphere, covering nearly 75% of the Earth's surface. Aquatic regions house numerous species of plants and animals, both large and small. In fact, this is where life began billions of years ago when amino acids first started to come together. Without water, most life forms would be unable to sustain themselves and the Earth would be a barren, desert-like place. Although water temperatures can vary widely, aquatic areas tend to be more humid and the air temperature on the cooler side. Freshwater regions. There are different types of freshwater regions: ponds and lakes, streams and rivers, and wetlands. The following sections describe the characteristics of these 3 freshwater zones. Ponds and lakes. These regions range in size from just a few square meters to thousands of square kilometers. Scattered throughout the Earth, several are remnants from the Pleistocene glaciation. Many ponds are seasonal, lasting just a couple of months, such as sessile pools, while lakes may exist for hundreds of years or more. Streams and rivers. These are bodies of flowing water moving in one direction. Streams and rivers can be found everywhere. They get their starts at headwaters, which may be springs, snowmelt, or even lakes, and then travel all the way to their mouths, usually another water channel or the ocean. Wetlands. Wetlands are areas of standing water that support aquatic plants. Marshes, swamps, and bogs are all considered wetlands. Plant species adapted to the very moist and humid conditions are called hydrophytes. Oceans.